What's going on, guys? Torn RC here. Check it out, man. I took another one off the shelf. This is the Silverlit V-150 Helicopter. Check it out, guys. Doesn't look sharp? Yeah, I got this thing way before I had a YouTube channel, man. So I haven't done any videos on it. Haven't flown it in years. I don't even know if it works. Let's test it out, guys. All right, let's do it, guys. Check that out. Pretty cool. I like it. Not very fast from what I remember. It's a lot different than a drone. Flies a little different. There we go. There's a nice little light on it. Funny, when I pitch forward, it's not going anywhere. I could turn, but I'm pitching forward. And it's not going. Huh. Come back to me. Don't let me have to come get you. Is it landing? No, it's not. Ah, stay away from that tree. No, we're not doing that. I haven't flown this thing in years. Okay, guess I can hover around a bit. Okay, it's finally moving. I'm pretty much using the right stick to go forward and to spin. Okay, it's going forward this time. Not very fast. Got a few helicopters in my collection. Pitch forward. Alright, now we're talking. A cool looking helicopter though, guys. I have a couple more advanced helicopters in my collection. I do like this one. Not very fast. Not really going anywhere. But yeah, guess the battery is kind of done. Alright, guys. Well, that was fun. My little toy helicopter here. That's cool. Alright, guys. See you guys on the next video. Later.